Sorcerer System 9 MPU came in with a lamp matrix problem, and the root cause of that problem was this 6820-1 PIA here at U14 had died, and it was causing the lamp matrix to strobe only column 2. This resistor got all burned up, and it's still good, it's just ugly. It's still got 27 ohms like it should, so I took it out and replaced it. And then consequently only column 2 would be on ever, and that caused the excessive heat to come on. On this particular board I also installed NVRAM, and then replaced a couple of headers. These are the sound output and the sound volume headers, and the power header that were pretty gnarly. And then the lamp matrix output headers I replaced also. There was a great mound of solder creating a jumper here at W11, right here. So I took that out and put a wire staple in there, clipped off what was left of W12, and we are configured properly now for our Sorcerer. So let's get her going. I'm going to boot it up, and you'll see my simulated displays. They're made by Siegecraft. I don't know if he makes those or not anymore. And you'll see that the lamp matrix is functioning properly. And the only solenoid that's on right now is the coin lockout solenoid, which is correct. So let's put it into test. And the first test is display test. Working properly. The next test is sound test, but I don't have a sound card hooked up to this, and I don't want to install the jumper there. This came in working. I'm going to assume it's going to go out working also. Here's our lamp matrix, all functioning properly now. And the next test is solenoid test. 9, 10, 11, 12 is missing the transistor on the board, so I expected that one to not fire. Solenoid circuit 12 is not used on Sorcerer, so somebody pillaged a transistor to put it elsewhere. Now I'm going to grab a ground wire. And I'm going to rake it across the switch input connector like this, so you'll be able to see each of the 6 special solenoids firing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the special solenoid circuitry, often problematic, but in this case it is working. Next test is the last test, which is switch test. As I use my Pinitech tester to go through all of column 1, we will see that all of the rows are working. Now I'm going to go through all of row 1 to a certain point, because Williams doesn't report all of the switches in the 64 possible switch matrix. Its last switch on Sorcerer is switch 45. So all those are working properly. And that is the end of the test. So it's jumping back into audits. And it'll come out of that and go back into regular mode. So this board is good to go. And I'm going to get it back to the Sorcerer guy. Thank you so much. Appreciate you dropping it off.